Hey YouTube, I'm Angela and I'm gonna make this video before that man behind me sweeping comes back again, because I think he might own this car wash and I don't want him thinking that I'm just going, I don't know what he thinks. But I'm gonna start cleaning my car now. So I kind of want to set up the tripod, because what if I hold my camera with one hand and then I break my camera? Okay, so it's really hot in my car. I was feeling like it was a safe bubble free from anxiety, but I have since realized that if I don't start cleaning my car soon, I'm gonna melt in here. So you guys can watch me clean the inside. I guess to start, we'll just clean the inside and talk a little. Okay. We'll sit you down right here. Oh my god, okay, let's get this started. Clean the inside. Hey guys, I came around over here. So, oh, I forgot. Brought a sandwich because I haven't eaten all day, and I think maybe that's why I have so much anxiety. I don't know if I should be eating and touching trash at the same time. I'm gonna try and clean up a few things back here. Oops. Oh no, I never returned this? Some situations just can't get clean all the way. Okay, I realize I don't really want to clean the inside of my car that much because I'm lazy and I have too much stuff in here, but we are going to clean the outside because it's been a really long time. Alright, so my car's not super clean, but my anxiety levels are through the roof right now. So I just want to get out of here. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go somewhere else really quick. Okay guys, so I'm driving back home now, and I just ate my sandwich and I feel way better. I feel like I should have just eaten my sandwich before I even filmed the video, because I was so anxious and I felt like I wasn't even driving normally and stuff, and I feel like I make more mistakes driving when I'm anxious. So I don't know why I was like, oh, I was just freaking out, and there's no need to do that. There's no need. Okay, so I'm back and I basically got all crappy footage from cleaning my car. I was gonna go to Target and I don't know, I was just thinking of different things to do, but then I remembered that I have to go to my son's school to pick up his learning packet, and yeah, I have to do that for him. So I need to go home first and get all that stuff together. He probably won't be on my channel because until you've had even a friendly, harmless stalker popping up in places and, you know, I don't know, it's just my personal feeling. So, yeah, keep them protected. But, there are weirdos online who, I don't know, maybe they're harmless or whatever, but they really do, I mean, they're not just online, they're in life, you know, they get obsessed with you, and then the creepiest thing is, like, if a guy texts me, like, oh, you look like such a good mom or something, you know, that's super extra creepy to me. Okay, so yeah, now that I've kind of, like, sat here and digested my food a little bit, I feel way better, and I wish I would have done that before. I feel like I didn't get any good content, and then what I did film that was actually not that bad, now that I realize, I just deleted it because I was like, oh, whatever, this is frustrating, and I was like shaking and stuff. But now I feel better, so I'll just continue this video for a little while longer. Welcome to the wild, wild west. Nothing happens here except police. I was just oh, I went inside and I brushed my hair, by the way, because I realized that my hair product made my hair look like really greasy. So I'm still learning. And I was also just thinking about how they should make tripods for your car. And they probably do. And then I was like, maybe I should look into buying one of those. And then, yeah, I guess one of my hobbies is just looking for stupid things to buy. So I probably don't need that, but right now when I'm trying to record myself while driving, I do. Hey guys, I'm here at the beach. I thought I'd come here since I'm just by myself, not doing anything, and I should probably see the outside world and get some sunlight since I have been cooped up in my apartment for the last week. Now I can show you guys the hard work that is me, how I clean the outside of my car. At least I kind of took some trash out of the inside, but not really. I was freaking out. I was feeling, or I guess I still am feeling a little nervous about like filming myself in public, but I mean, because there's kind of a lot of people here. There was like no parking and there's just people everywhere. It feels like, well, there's actually just one guy walking right now, but it feels like there's people everywhere, and it's kind of weird, but I mean, what are they really gonna do, you know? Laugh at me, point, just throw tomatoes at me or something? I don't know. So someone's gotta do it. Yeah, so I guess now I will just show you guys how cleanish I got my car. It was really filthy. I've also kind of been feeling like I have a fever or something, but I don't have, I checked my temperature and I don't have a fever, but I've been checking it for like 2 days, and I think sometimes I just don't get outside enough and get really exhausted, and then I start thinking that I'm sick or something. So probably just, I don't know. Got this little fizzy Izzy or whatever, pretty much a soda, because I like to have a lot of different flavors of drinks. Okay, so okay, here goes nothing. All the people looking at me, staring at me, wondering why I'm taking a video of myself and me looking at them ashamed while I do a little twerk dance that I have planned on my car. So I am pretty nervous, but whatever, face your fears or whatever, you know, this is face your social fears. Okay. I'm actually gonna grab my sweater too. Where did my sweater go? Oh, it's in the... The car smells a little funny. Here's my car, nice and clean now. I need to do some poses in front of it. I hope I get rewarded for this in life, because I'm very shy. It's so fun having friends that don't actually exist. Well, not yet. Okay. Come on, let's go to the beach. Okay, we'll go this way. I'm having so much anxiety today. I feel like I can't tell if the cars are like coming or going or, oh God, what? So this is proof that I need to get some fresh air. I always go places and do stuff by myself, like camping and the beach, and I used to even go out like to eat in bars by myself, but I don't know that many people that do that, so I encourage whoever's out there to try it. It's really fun. I feel like, I don't know, I see a lot of people doing it on YouTube, so here I am, World Wide Web. Also, another reason I think is just like there's a lot of pressure here in this area, like Orange County, LA and stuff, especially since people will judge you so hard if you're like recording yourself or taking a selfie, just because I feel like, or someone's taking a picture of you for your Instagram or whatever. I feel like since it's everywhere, people like really hate on it more, I guess, and they'll like openly be rude to you about it. Which brings me to my shirt that I made that kind of came out wrong. The sun has set. Well, I've been walking around a lot because I can't really seem to remember where I parked my car, and I have a really bad habit of doing that, and it's just not getting any better. So it's probably just because I don't know, must not care that much or something. But I think I'm finally, yep, I'm going the right way now, and I can't believe I didn't see it earlier. But whatever, extra steps, I guess. So now that I'm back to my car, or almost back to my car, I'd say this vlog or whatever is over. I'm gonna see what I can actually take from this. Anyway, my stomach hurts. So have a good night and a good weekend, everybody.